70 times 7. I do 18, 21, 22. Elizabeth was Zachariah's wife and an older relative of Mary. Jesus' mother, God, used Elizabeth's pregnancy as a way to provide comfort to Mary. A beautiful frosty winter morning. It is early December and the temperatures are going to be in the 50s again, just extremely different than last year. But I'm going to do some Christmas homemaking, do some homeschooling, do some home life with you guys. And the morning started off well. Got my morning routine in with Bible reading. My husband and I did our devotional and just talked through the week, did my stretches and a little exercise, breakfast, all the good things. And now it's about 9 o'clock. We stripped the laundry, the bedding for laundry today, and we're just getting off to a good start. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee while I make some granola, refreshing that for the week or 2 weeks. And I'm gonna make some pumpkin sourdough muffins that I might just make up because I have some pumpkin I need to use up, some sourdough starter that needs to be used. And we're just going to enjoy the day of homemaking today. So let's keep rolling with what I'm gonna do.
So to this granola, I like to add some powdered peanut butter and sometimes some vanilla protein powder to give it a little bit more boost of protein, because that's really important for me as a nursing mama.
Joseph must have been tired. They had been on the road for a long time. In those days, people walked on roads on donkeys to get where they were going. They didn't have vehicles like we did. They had to walk everywhere. Joseph looked for a place where he and Mary could stay in Bethlehem, but there were no rooms. Finally, Joseph found out. Finally, Joseph found out that he and Mary could stay in a stable. Christmas in the barn. In a big warm barn in an ancient field. Oxen lowed, the donkeys squealed, and they were allowed to sleep in the hay because there was no room in the inn. Oh, right? We just did that. Knock, knock on the doors.
This is the...
Or dog. Not it. Eat over your bowl. Good. Yeah, like guitar. All right, let's see that again. So I'm going to add some heavy cream to my coffee. I just drink it black for half the morning, but I really only get like 3/4 the way done with it. And look at all that cream. I don't know if you can see, like it's right there. So awesome. I'm gonna dip some out, and then I need to do some of my crock pot yogurt. So it's kind of like a just get all things refreshed for the week in the kitchen day. Supposed to decorate his scarf. So I'm gonna restring my girls' Christmas lights while my made-up muffins are baking. The tree lights are plugged in, they're completely dead. So I found another strand. Hopefully they last at least through Christmas here. So we're gonna take ornaments off, take the light strand off, and put some fresh ones on. Whoa. Broke. Leave it on. There's your pretty tree.
No, what those lights do.
So all three kiddos are down for rest and quiet time at about 12:30 here. Husband just went back to work after he came home for lunch. He takes about a 15-minute to 30-minute lunch time because his business is 0.6 miles away, so he bikes to work and back. So I am going to edit a video right now. I need to work on that. Ever since having Elias, the little boy, 6 months old, I have felt a little slow on editing my videos. I usually try to do stuff a week in advance. That is not happening right now, but I'm trying to get content out to you guys, and I appreciate all of you guys who enjoy watching videos and the support that you have given my channel. Okay, they're not napping. But anyways, yeah, I just appreciate that, even though my side of it doesn't always get out as quick as I would like. I still try to do my Tuesday, Friday videos and some vlogs here and there. So anyways, I'm gonna go do that and hopefully they'll get some napping in. We're having a stir fry tonight with some chislic. So in South Dakota, chislic is a really big thing. We have some local lamb raisers that we got some lamb chislic from. This is the last package that I'm gonna use up to make like a lamb stir fry, and then we're just gonna have some ramen in it. Yeah, I know, ramen, it's a package thing, right? But that's okay, sometimes that's okay. And then we're gonna have some little mini egg rolls that we get from Costco. So we don't have that often, but it's kind of a fun treat meal to have. And it's a lot cheaper than going out to eat because we would have to drive almost an hour to go out to get that type of food anyways. But let me get editing. My coffee cup is still half full, so I'm going to re-steam that with my espresso wand and get working on the video and get my kids to fall asleep. So kiddos are up from their naps. I had a solid work time on my video. It's actually exporting right now, which was great. So that means I got everything done. I'll have to do a thumbnail still and queue it up and get it on YouTube for tomorrow. I'm gonna cut some butternut squash up here to go in the soup or supper for tonight, the stir fry. Just thought I might add some squash. Not sure how that'll be, but I think that'll be good. So I'm gonna do that, probably prep an onion, maybe I'll even cut up the cabbage, just get stuff prepped. That way it's ready to go in the pan and everything get put all together when it is that hour of kids needing attention, supper needs cooked, all that stuff needs done at the same time.
I usually like to prep suppers that take a little bit longer with a lot of cutting or chopping during nap time. So that's what I'm doing here with my butternut squash, mushrooms, onions, and the cabbage later too. It's just really nice to get that done, put it in a container, and then be able to pull it out when that 5 o'clock hour comes. I'm starting my yogurt fresh, usually I save my yogurt some of it from the previous make. I've done that several times now, so I'm just using the whole fat Greek yogurt from Chobani brand. That seems to work really well for me.
Frosty snowman is so big. That is huge. Huge, huge, huge. So big. Snowman is so big. Oh man. So we went outside for a few errands and then went for a little walk and saw that giant Santa. And then came inside after we played for a little bit outside too. So I'm gonna fold some laundry in the girls' room. It's a little too early to start prepping supper. My hair is really staticky too for being outside and have a nice hat line. But it is brisk out. It's only like upper 20s, but no breeze. It's just a nice kind of December wintry, no snow day. Supper got all finished and cleaned up. It's about 20 to 8, and I used the rest of the cabbage from our ramen stir fry, which turned out quite well, and the egg rolls were just frozen, pop in the oven. I made some sauerkraut to let sit for 10 to 15 days on the counter with the rest of the cabbage, so that will be good to have. And then just gonna enjoy our tea and play a little game with our oldest before she goes to bed. So I hope you enjoyed coming along today and just doing things in the kitchen, some stuff, a little bit of outside and homemaking, cleaning, just the normal routine of life. So I've got laundry going in the dryer again still, so I'll fold that tonight and then just get ready for bed after that.